What's up, stackers? Now in this video we're going to be talking about eBay dropshipping. Can you start eBay dropshipping with no money? That's what we're going to get into, but first, if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can start generating some cash from the comfort of your own home. So if you're interested, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, eBay dropshipping. Can you start eBay dropshipping with no money? Yes, you can. But there's a couple of factors that you need to understand if you want to try and do this with no money. Okay, so obviously you're going to need two things. You're going to need an eBay account and a PayPal account. So as long as you've got these, you're good. You can start eBay dropshipping. But if your PayPal is fairly new and it hasn't got a lot of history, when you do eBay dropshipping and you start selling stuff on eBay, there's a good chance that PayPal will hold your funds for 21 days, I believe. So say you sell something on eBay, you have a brand new PayPal account. Soon as you've sold it, that money's gone into your PayPal, but they're more than likely going to hold that. So if you're new, you have a new PayPal, then you will need some money in your bank or in your PayPal to get this started. You kind of need to front the money first so you can pay for your items and get them shipped to your customer. But if you have a good standing PayPal account, then there's no need for that. You can literally start with no money. That's what I did when I was doing eBay dropshipping. I didn't want to put any money into it. I wanted to see if I could do this without no money, and I did. I had a good standing PayPal account, so every time I sold an item right here on eBay, that money went straight into my PayPal. I then went to my suppliers, and then I purchased the items and got it shipped to my customer with no problems. But like I said, it is a good idea just to have a couple of hundred on the side in your bank in case anything goes wrong. Now, if you want some really good training on eBay dropshipping, then I'm going to link a card right there in the right hand corner, which I suggest you going through and watching it. It will show you how to find products to list and how to do all that good stuff. I'll also link another video on which suppliers I use for eBay dropshipping, so go through and check that as well. This is specifically for the UK, because my personal opinion, I prefer to use suppliers that accept PayPal. Main reason being, it makes it so much easier. Yes, you can still use Amazon, but with Amazon, when you've sold an Amazon item over here on eBay, you then have to take that money from your PayPal and put that into your bank to purchase the item on Amazon. Whereas if you're using a supplier like Domu, VidaXL, Argos, you can pay with PayPal. So as soon as that money goes straight into your PayPal, you can just buy it straight from there, and it makes everything so much easier. Again, I'm going to link a couple of videos in the right hand corner, so go through and watch them if you're interested in eBay dropshipping, which you should be. It's a really good business model to start with, especially if you're new online and you want to make some money, because again, you can do it with no money if you have a good standing PayPal account. And the good thing is, you don't really need much experience. It is pretty simple. If you have any questions about eBay dropshipping, then feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try my hardest to get back to each and every one of you. I do actually respond to pretty much every single comment on my channel. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.